Mine's like...
Whoa!
That went out.
Woo! Yeah. No, let's look at the one. Not me, look, but I know. Why is lightning? Hold up. Oh, no, what are you doing? Oh, alright.
I am allowed to play 40 seconds.
Don't you dare burn your trainers.
Whoa. That was a good one.
Yeah, no more screaming, darling. It's warmer there, isn't it?
Go on, on the road.
See this one there? Where? Come here.
Yeah.
See that one?
Yeah.
Right. Take that to Cal. Just the one over there. This one over there, right? For him to give it to them. The other big one at that end down there. Because I want that one. Cal has got a lighting stick. You can light it yourself. You can. And I. Another piece.
Look,
I'll let.
I can record up to like 21.
Because it's conscious, not kill it. She's just...
This is fun. Come on, big wiggle top one.
That's the one leg that take off. It's not the one leg that goes to syrup, so it's not sweet. It's sweet, but it's not.
Look, it's all the syrup in it.
Yeah. Yes, can I have a piece of that before you eat it all? No, don't take it out for that.
Thinking about it.
Just give it some. You can have some. You can have some.
Yeah, let me try a little piece of more.
Is it that cold? That's quick.
Oh, you can cook it.
That's actually loving it.
Oh, you can cook it.
This is going sideways now. I'm not going to get it.
It's not going to pull your tooth out either.
No, it doesn't stick. Rot your teeth, maybe.
Break them.
Maybe break them, yeah.
Get ready for a big boom one. More.
Do you want me to hold it for you?
No, you can.
Oh, that was good. you do one of the big ones?
I can't bite this. I've heard that one.
Oh, it's lovely, get it?
No one told us all dentist something like that.
Oh, I've just been.
And I was like, I got a film and I
Oh, it's
know
lovely.
it's a couple of days, but it's cheap.
Really nice.
So you need to tell your nan. Your nan to get you back to the dentist.
Why?
Well, if it's chipped, they need to fix it before it's totally great.
Yeah, I went to one and it was, I didn't like it, man. And then I was doing a child one, so I
Yeah,
like
the child needs to...
yeah, better. When all the fireworks done, we're going to watch it. Oh, we're going to put it on YouTube. No, so they're going to go for 10 minutes and we're going to start again. I was scared at first, but the thing on the water. When the first did it was...
It's real funny.
Like, nice fireworks.
Go into the good fire. Yeah, but
Oh, I got it. Oh. Uh-oh, one more.
Like me or your nan or your great grandma.
Take cover. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Hey. I'm that much. Hey. I think mine can do better. No, mine can go in my longer.
This one, she loves using mouthwash. She does. She loves it. I buy a bottle. I buy a big bottle, and it's supposed to last a month. In 1 week it's gone because I've used it all.
On a nice very close to the station.
It's not. It's an aeroplane.
You don't scare us off, Grandma.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, up there.
Flashing lights over there.
Oh, crazy.
He's going to airport. It's a weapon. You see why that rocket just landed?
It's a flying UFO. No, it's spaceship. It's a UFO.
No, you're not going to get it now.
You are. It goes right up there.
Dean, put it on the fire, please. Don't play with it.
That's way higher. No.
That lantern right up there.
See?
What lantern, man?
A lantern.
A lantern goes in the sky and it's like full of air. And it's like lighting.
Bottomless.
Oh no, it's gone down. It's hit the place. It's a UFO.
Hello. Up there. You've only come to nosy at me rockets and stuff, haven't you? Chinese lantern.
What is it? It's not a broom, is it?
It's a lantern. Chinese lantern.
Made out of paper. And the candle.
This is actually Anthony's, one of Anthony's
Oh,
best
yeah.
mates. When Anthony's,
Said he would eat on the day when we
yeah.
came.
Get rid of a big one.
Right, this is just,
No.
Oh,
You gotta tell me
I got it instead.
Mine's not.
Mine is Auntie Paula.
It's full of cats.
Auntie Ellie. Uncle Andrew.
And your
Cow.
what's it in my thing?
And Michael.
UFO! Not a UFO!
And there's Dean. And then there's Ashon.
Howie!
Look, Ash.
Mine was sort of like that soft, but stood in the...
Go on the swimming here.